So the traditional lenses that we get in class are these, and they're not bad, you know, they work and everything else, but a glass lens. If you have an option between using this, the original one, or a glass lens, use this one. Only difference is obviously it's glass, much better flow of gas, much better. So less porosity, avoids pinholes a lot better. This is the way to go. If you have an option between choosing these two, go with the glass lens. Open your gas. Pure argon. We are going to be using 1/16 steel, actually because the heat gets sucked away big time by the mace metal. So if you have a bigger electrode, it's going to suck away more heat and it's going to cause a lot of buildup and stuff you just don't need.